What's up, guys? Today I'm playing I Am Cat, and here's Granny. She takes care of me. She cleans my poo-poo. And just so you know, guys, Simon will eat your balls if you don't subscribe to Jamin Curly. Hi. He's just been a goat for a bunch of days. The years. He's been honestly amazing. Jamin Curly is the best. Simon's cute. And basically I look like Simon in this game. See? Exactly like Simon. So basically this is called I Am Simon. But if we're in Jamin Curly's house, you have to find Gonzalez. Oh, whatever. Did that upset you? I would come. Did I kill her? Frick. I might have killed her. Frick. Who cares? I'm gonna go upstairs now. Look at this. Look at all this. Is that a piano? No, Papi, no, man, no. Oh, it's a piano. And piano cat. So yes, we will be playing multiple games today. Sorry if I didn't say that earlier. Yes, we will be playing different games sometimes. So yeah. Freak! No! Okay. Oh, look at. Get out of your misery. I am Leo. No, wait, what? Okay. Touch the birds. Play a melody. Okay. Okay. Play a melody. What the hell? This is a glitch. Next game. I'm getting boring. This game is called Grab. I'd really consider Jamie and Curly playing this, so please, Jamie and Curly, if you could play this.